going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jorge and this is my 2019 Camaro SS. And today I'm gonna actually do a little follow-up and just double check the header system that we installed 3 weeks ago, making sure that everything is still nice and tight under the car, and also show you guys some cool new things that I got for the car. We've had the headers on this car for about 3 weeks now, and one thing that you want to do is make sure, because the system does use quite a bit of clamps, is double check and make sure that all the clamps are properly tightened and that they're not leaking, and if they are, make sure to tighten them a little more. Now, while driving the car, I have noticed a bit of what I feel is air leaking, so that's why we're definitely going to double check that. And so we'll go ahead and use the race ramps, the quick jacks. We'll go ahead and use the quick jacks, raise it up, and then use something that I bought that I definitely needed when I did the header install and didn't have, and that is the creeper. Check it out, guys. So this is actually a creeper and a chair stool type thing set that I got on eBay for 60 bucks. And it's a Jegs branded. The creeper has the ability to kind of raise up, and I'll show you that once I put it all together. But it's really cool and definitely going to make it a lot easier to go in and out of the car when I'm under the car. So here is the creeper that I bought, and this one actually already comes pretty much assembled. And the cool thing is you can actually raise the headrest up so that you're not straining your neck. And then you see in the back side it's got this little it's got this lever here, and you can pull it back, and there's 3 different modes that you can have it in. So that's pretty nice and be helpful when you're down under the car. So that's pretty cool. But we've got that, and then we also have this unassembled chair. So this is the little seat creeper roller, and you basically just use, you need a 10 millimeter for 2 bolts that are up on the top, and then these are 14 millimeters, and then this uses a hex, which is a 5 millimeter hex. And this is going to be perfect for when I raise the car up and have to change the wheels or anything like that. It lets me kind of roll through and do all that good stuff. So I'm excited to be able to use that, and of course the creeper we're going to use right now. Alright guys, we've got the car on the lift. Now we can use the creeper. We're going through the backside and start checking all the clamps. Alright guys, so I'm in the creeper, and the wheels are actually really rollable, and as you can see, I can pretty much roll all the way through the bottom of the car. Have pretty limited space, but I can roll in and out and not too bad. Now here I wanted to show you guys, so that right there is what you would call a leak from the clamps. So I'm gonna tighten that. If we get around on this side, you can kind of see some more exhaust coming out this way, so we definitely want to tighten this clamp a little bit more. This one back here actually looks pretty good, so that one doesn't have any issues. This one is leaking, as you can see there. Rolling back, these are definitely leaking. You can see that especially around here, in this area, and I'm sure the rest of the area as well. These definitely leaking, and you can see it's actually moved a little bit slightly with, I guess, vibrations and things like that. So those are leaking. And then if you look out here, these are definitely leaking from not as bad. So it seems like the leaks aren't horrible. This will just kind of tighten it some more, and then if that doesn't work, then there's always exhaust gasket maker that we can use there. This is where we have the heaviest of of leaks. And what I'm gonna do is probably try to move this clamp farther up, because it's not really clamping out here. This one's doing a little better job, but I'm gonna move this one up as well. This is why you double check your clamps. Now you see this little piece here, see how it's kind of an I shaped. Well, this bottom side's got the same curvature slightly as the rest of this band, and that is not how it's supposed to go. Alright guys, I was finally able to loosen up this piece. It was actually stuck into this right here. Now, the way that it should be going is this way. The eye should be right there. Before it was like this, and that of course is not going to help. It needs to be this way. So we'll go ahead and put this clamp back in the car, and everything should be good to go. Watch how awesome this is, guys. Literally just bring it right back down. That easy. So the exhaust is good to go. I'm happy to report that after 3 weeks, clamps were still good. Some of course needed a little bit tightening. That's to be expected, especially when we put everything in and then you drive on the road. So everything looks like it's back in order. Now let me show you guys something that I think you guys are gonna really like. And I want to get you guys' opinion on it. These are the new exhaust tips, guys, and they are gonna go right over on this side like this. What do you guys think? I think it's gonna look super nice. Now we're not gonna put those on today. I do have to remove the rear bumper to make this a very easy install. This goes, as you can see in the brackets, it's got 4 screws, and those go on this diffuser. These are the American Authority exhaust tips, and they say that you do need to cut off your stock tips for these to fit. I'm hoping that I can get away with not cutting them and just taking the bumper off, mounting it, and then having the exhaust tips fit in between. I'm not sure how that's gonna look. I might just end up cutting off these tips anyways, but let me know in the comments down below, guys. What do you guys think of these tips? I think they're gonna look really nice and really make the back end of this car look very unique. What do you guys think? Comment down below, let me know. I think that's gonna look super nice. Just to kind of do another quick little overview of this, we've got the American Authority Z01 style rear diffuser with the insert. We've got Z01 style wing. We've got the One Elite wheels, and then here are the side skirts. Now this is the shadow side. We'll show you guys over there on the other side right now. We've got the Z01 front splitter. Now tell me this doesn't look just amazing. I mean, it really makes this front end look so much better. I mean, just everything about that extension feels like it's definitely needed compared to without it. And then we look here, you can see the side skirt, and right here you can see where it starts extending outward instead of following in with the car, and then in the back side it really extends to give you that very aggressive look on the back side. See if we can show you. So before, the car kind of just ended flush where this black line is. Now you've got this extension popping out and also popping out back here, and you can see it even more from this back angle view here, guys. See how the car kind of curves inward and then out? Well, with the side skirt you get that more aggressive look. I mean, definitely makes this car feel more aggressive. And with the American Authority side skirts, they line up perfectly with the American Authority ZL1 rear diffuser, and you can see the gloss black now follows all the way around the car. Give you guys a little better angle and look of this diffuser and how it looks. You guys can see right here, it just extends outward and looks beautiful. Definitely flows very well, blends in, and I really think it makes this front end completely change. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are in the comments below. I hope these angles are a lot better and you guys are able to get a better idea of what kind of difference this makes. I mean, geez, this car is, I love it. Anyways guys, let me know what you guys think. I think this car is perfect, and it sounds really good now with all the nice stuff. Check this out now. So let's go ahead and give you guys a warm start. That is really beautiful. I love the way it sounds. Haven't heard any more leaks, so that's good. And man, it just sounds so good. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Basically, if you need headers and want something cost effective, don't hesitate to go with Speed Engineering, because their headers have shown to be really good quality. And if you guys want these body kits, definitely, if you have a 2019 Camaro SS, definitely look into getting the side skirts and the front splitter at the minimum, and maybe even this rear diffuser. But just like that guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.